Welcome to Technovish channel. Today here we are going to show you how to solve the SQL injection in Portswigger lab. Let's start with the first and basic lab. This lab, let me open that lab. Yeah, the first lab is like retrieving the hidden data. How actually it works, let me show you that. This is the same uh, this is the same lab which we have. Just I opened the gift. Okay, what here it written http insecurewebsite.com product category equal to gifts. The same thing you can see in this video also, in this URL. Okay, like question mark category equal to gift. So what that means, the select star from products where the category equal to gifts and released equal to 1. This is how actually the query works in the backend. So all star means it's selecting all the details, all the products and the product table and the category gifts, and released equal to 1. Released equal to 1 means there may be some unreleased product which is hidden. The released equal to 1 will be showing only which is released, and unreleased product it will not show. Okay, so what we're gonna do is first start http insecure website and commenting the rest all uh, products. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will just take this, we can copy that and we can put it here, control V. So see here only the 3 products are released here. So after getting this, you can see there is some unreleased product also. This is the unreleased product. So you can see in the gift there is also one more item called high-end gift wrapping. So this will give you the unreleased product also. So here in this case what it will do is it will commenting the this section will be comment. So released product equal to 1 will not in the part of query, so only till here it will take as the query and it will fetch the details from the database. So after that in this lab what we are exactly want to do is we have to display the entire all the products in the group by selecting the gift. Okay, I mean by manipulating in the URL we have to show all the products. So what we're gonna do now is we just copy paste this. I will tell you how it works. See only 4 products you can see. If you enter all, see there are many products are there. So I'm again going to gift and I'll just comment again, I'll manipulating this and I'll put it as enter. Okay, see I completed this lab and also it is showing you all the released and unreleased product. Okay, even it is showing you unreleased product too. Okay, and how it works, that's the main question, right? So in this case what it will do, or 1 equal to 1. So the query how it works is select star from products where the category equal to gift or 1 equal to 1. 1 equal to 1, what it will do is if it is showing like a true condition. If it is true then show all the products. So if it is true it will obviously show all the products, right? So rest all will be commenting here in this section. Rest all will be commenting. So released one will not get the chance to query the database, and here it will show either gift and or equal to 1 since it is always true, and the query item will show all the item. That's how you can solve the first lab of the Portswigger lab. Thanks for watching. If it is useful to you, please subscribe us and hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you.
If you liked our video, please subscribe us and press the bell icon. Thank you.